You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is I equals 5/4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the I. Multiply both sides by 4i. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 5 to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the I. Divide both sides by 4. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is I equals 5/4.